29,163 new cases have been reported. Yes, it's under 30,000 for the first time in 4 months. And let's talk about the number of deaths that have been reported in the last 24 hours. 449 deaths have been reported. Yesterday, the number of cases that were reported were 30,548, while the number of deaths were 447. Let's talk about the recoveries in the last 24 hours. 40,791 people have recovered in the last 24 hours. And if we talk about the total number of tests that have been conducted, those have been over 8 lakhs. To get more details on this, let's go across to my colleague Akshay, who's joining us. So, Akshay, for the first time in 4 months on the cases that have been reported under 30,000, what's led to this?
Well, certainly the COVID situation in the country is getting under control is what the numbers suggest at this point in time. But we also have to look at the trend of the numbers reducing. We have seen that for the past 45 days, in fact, the number of recoveries has been more than the number of COVID cases. Now that all thanks to the testing that was enhanced in all over the country in major cities. But also now a lot of people have recovered. So there is a recovery rate of 93.4%, which is quite high. As far as the positivity rate is concerned, it is around 3.45%, which is very, very low, because the WHO guidelines also state that the states and the countries will have to enhance the testing until the positivity rate is brought below 5%. So 3.45% is well below 5%. But there is a worry as far as the deaths are concerned. The deaths are still taking place and around 500 people are still losing their lives. That is approximately half of what we were witnessing during the peak, but still it's a high number. So that will have to be checked by the authorities. And so this is the situation right now. But there are certain hotspots and certain states and UTs that still need extra care by the authorities and the healthcare experts.
Right. Akshay, just stay with us. For now, let's talk about other states like you mentioned as well. This is the second consecutive day. Delhi has reported less than 4,000 COVID cases in a matter of 24 hours. However, with fewer testing, the positivity rate remained above 12%, much higher than the national positivity rate of 3.5% that has been recorded today. However, Delhi also reported the second highest deaths due to COVID-19, with 99 people losing their lives. So, Akshay, the highest number of cases coming from Delhi and also the highest number of deaths in the last 24 hours.
Well, yes, certainly. As far as deaths are concerned, 1 out of every 5 deaths that are happening in the country, and the percentage is even more than that, then those are happening in the national capital. Earlier we have seen that the Union Territory had well controlled the situation after the first wave. Then the second wave came, and now it's the third wave. Yesterday, the Health Minister of Delhi had said that the situation should get under control in 7 to 8 days. But similar kind of statement was given by Mr. Satyendra Jain on 8th of November as well. However, we have seen that the number of cases rise along with the deaths after that. As far as the number of cases in Delhi are concerned, yes, the number of cases were around 3,000 yesterday, but that is also due to the testing being halved on the Sunday. Lesser number of tests definitely means lesser number of positivity. But the positivity rate as far as of Union Territory is concerned is above 12%, which is very, very high and has to be brought down. Earlier we saw Arvind Kejriwal stating that the testing will be enhanced to 1 lakh, but that has not materialized on the ground at this time.